Hello friends, welcome back to Vibha Teaching Academy, and today we are going to see format of activity sheet and time management. Format of activity sheet for the English third language students. So there is a format of activity sheet is given. Section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is divided into 7 questions. Section 1 language studies section is divided into two parts. Question number 1A and question number 1B. Question number 1A has 8 marks. Try to finish within 12 minutes. And question number 1B has 2 marks. Try to finish within 3 minutes. Thus, question number 1 carries a total of 10 marks. Section 2 textual passages. Questions 2A and 2B are from the prose lessons in the textbook. Each question carries a total of 10 marks. Each question has 5 activities of 2 marks each. Try to attempt each passage within 15 minutes. Section 3 Poetry. Question number 3A and B are from the poetry in the textbook. Question number 3A consists of comprehension based activities carrying 5 marks. Try to finish it within 10 minutes. Question number 3B in this section is for writing appreciation. This question carries 5 marks. Try to write appreciation within 8 minutes. Question number 4 will be based on non-textual prose passage or unseen passages. This question carries 10 marks. Practice to finish this question within 20 minutes. In question number 4B, the summary of the comprehension passage given in question 4A is to be written, and practice writing summary within 15 minutes. Question number 5 is letter writing. You will be asked to write either informal letter A1 or formal letter A2. Attempt any one of them. This question carrying 5 marks. Question number 5B. In this activity sheet, you will be asked question on dialogue writing B1 and drafting a speech B2. You are expected to attempt any one of them. This activity carrying 5 marks. Question number 6A is information transfer. A1 is non-verbal to verbal or A2 is verbal to non-verbal. B is expand the theme. B1 is news report based on the given headlines. B2 is developing a story with a given beginning or end. Each question carrying 5 marks and try to finish it within 15 minutes. Section 6 Skill Development. This section consists of one of 5 marks with 3 activities. Internal options will be given in each activity. Practice finishing this question within 7 minutes. Question number 1A, do as directed. You have to do any 4 activities out of 6. It has simple and medium level activities of 8 marks. And each questions have 2 marks. Question number 1B is the set of challenging activities, 2 marks. You are required to attempt any one out of the given 2 activities and each question carrying 1 marks. Question number 2A is from the prose lessons in the textbook. This question carries a total of 10 marks. This question has 5 activities of 2 marks each. Question number 2b is also from the prose lesson in the textbook. This question carries a total of 10 marks also. This question has 5 activities of 2 marks each. Question number 3a consists of 3 comprehension based activities carrying a total of 5 marks. Question number 3b in this section is for writing appreciation of the given poem with the help of the given points. This question carries 5 marks. Question 4 will be based on non-textual prose passage or unseen passages. The comprehension activity type in question 4a will be similar to those in the textual passages. This question carries 10 marks, each question carrying 2 marks. In question 4b, the summary writing of the comprehension passage given in question 4a is to be written. This question carrying 5 marks. Question number 5a is letter writing. You will be asked to write either in formal letter A1 or formal letter A2. Attempt any one of them, each question carrying 5 marks. B1 is dialogue writing. B2 is drafting a speech. Attempt any one of them, each question carrying 5 marks. Question number 6 is information transfer. A1 is non-verbal to verbal or A2 verbal to non-verbal. Attempt any one of them. This question carrying 5 marks. B is expand the theme. There are following 2 types in this question. You are required to attempt any one. B1 is news report based on the given headlines and B2 is developing a story with beginning or end. Each question carrying 5 marks. Question number 7 is translation. This question consists of 3 types of activities. A. To translate any 4 of the given 6 English words in your medium of instruction. B. To translate any 2 of the given 4 English sentences in your medium of instruction. C. To translate any one of the given 2 English idioms, proverbs in your medium of instruction. This activity carries 5 marks. So friends, I hope you liked this video. So friends, do comments and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe, and thanks for watching this video.